to Year 3 Peace Assembly, New Beginning. It's new school year, so that means lots of new beginnings for all of us, like a new class, a new teacher, and a new topic. New beginnings can be exciting. We've been learning lots of new things like making spidergrams and writing paragraphs and learning the Amazon in our first topic. It's also a good time to think about the goals we want to achieve. We wrote our goals down and placed them on our goal tree outside our class. My goal is to get better at football. I want to better at art. I want to get better at learning. I want to be a better friend. I want to improve my drawing. I want to get better at math. I want to get better at sports. I want to improve my English. I want to improve my studying. I want to get better at my 3 times table. I want to get better at ballet. I want to improve my running. I want to get better at punctuation. I want to improve my writing. I want to be confident at my piano test. I want to get better at swimming. We made some role plays about new beginnings. Let's have a look at some situations that can happen in and around the school. I thought a new student is coming to our class. Me too. Can you go and check? Okay. What is your name? My name is Tasha. What is your class in? My class is in Year 3. I'm also in Year C. Do you want to come in? No one's too shy to go in. There's no need to be shy. You could make new friends in our class. Okay. Hey everyone, this is our new friend Tasha. Welcome Tasha. My name is Sandy. My name is Reese. My name is Millie. Hi guys. Where is the toilet? It's next door. Thank you. What is she doing? I don't know. Let me go and check. Boys have shorts. So where is the girls' toilet? Did you wash your hands? I don't know how to wash my hands. I can go with you.
พร็อพด้วย
What would you like? May I have noodle, please? Okay, thank you. What would you like? Can I have noodle, please? Okay, thank you. What? Hey, why did you do that? Sorry, it was an accident. It was my fault. I'm the one who bumped her. Don't worry, it was just an accident. Hey, everyone, lunch is on me.
ตายแล้วคุณชายมาได้ขนาดนี้แม่คุณแม่ค่ะ
คุณแม่ขายอย่าดูถูกลูกนะคะ
แม่อยู่ไหนมา
Before we go, we'd like to share another song with you, which we have been learning as part of our reinforced topic. We hope you enjoy it as much as we do.
สไปเดอร์มังกี้ร้องอย่างนี้ยกแยก